What if the key to reversing memory loss is already in a lab today, waiting for the final breakthrough? What if the silent thief of memory that haunts millions could finally be stopped, not years from now, but within our lifetime? These questions no longer belong to science fiction. They belong to the present, and they ignite a sense of urgency and hope in the global search for an Alzheimer's disease cure. Alzheimer's disease, a devastating neurodegenerative condition, affects over 55 million people worldwide. Its impact stretches far beyond memory. It robs individuals of their identity, disconnects families, and burdens healthcare systems at an overwhelming pace. For decades, researchers were trapped in a loop of disappointment, chasing treatments that could slow symptoms but never halt the disease. But today, the narrative is shifting. Science is catching up with hope. At the core of Alzheimer's lies the accumulation of toxic plaques and tangles, specifically beta-amyloid and tau proteins, which disrupt communication between brain cells and ultimately lead to their death. For years, the focus was on managing symptoms, with limited success. But recent scientific milestones are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Groundbreaking therapies targeting the root mechanisms of the disease are now entering clinical stages with encouraging results. One such development is monoclonal antibody therapy, such as lecanemab and donanemab. These drugs are designed to bind to beta-amyloid plaques and help the immune system clear them from the brain. Clinical trials have shown they can modestly slow cognitive decline in early-stage Alzheimer's. While not a cure, they represent a profound shift, from symptomatic relief to disease modification. Beyond pharmaceutical interventions, gene editing and regenerative medicine are expanding the horizon. Techniques like CRISPR offer the potential to correct faulty genes associated with Alzheimer's. Meanwhile, stem cell research is exploring how to regenerate damaged brain tissue, offering future possibilities for neural repair. Even personalized medicine, tailoring treatments based on a person's genetic and biological profile, is beginning to emerge as a vital piece of the puzzle. Equally promising is the role of lifestyle and prevention. Nutrition, exercise, mental stimulation, and sleep are now recognized as powerful tools in reducing risk and possibly delaying onset. The MIND diet, rich in green leafy vegetables and low in saturated fats, has been linked to better brain aging. Studies have also highlighted the value of social engagement and mindfulness practices in preserving cognitive health. But time is of the essence. As the global population ages, cases of Alzheimer's are expected to double by 2050. This is not just a health issue, it is a social and economic emergency. Governments, scientists, and communities must rally together, fund research, support caregivers, and spread awareness. If there's one thing history has taught us, it is that today's impossibilities often become tomorrow's miracles. Hope for a cure is not wishful thinking, it is a call to action supported by data, innovation, and relentless human will. Could we be living in the decade that finally defeats Alzheimer's disease? What breakthrough gives you the most hope?